Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city.
Eh bien salut tout le monde, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo unboxing d'un colis FX Motors. Donc en premier on va ouvrir ce colis. Donc j'ai déjà enlevé les cartons de ça pour moins se faire chier. Donc le premier colis c'est de la marque Shot Race Gear. C'est un pare-pierre avec la dorsale, les coudières. Donc il y a la dorsale, les épaules, les coudes, pour le ventre, et il y a la ceinture intégrée avec. On se retrouve pour le deuxième colis, le grand carton, qui est aussi de la marque Shot Race Gear. Donc c'est des bottes. Des bottes blanches et noires, taille 46. Donc je les ai déjà essayées, c'est très confortable. De toute façon après je vous mettrai quand ça sur moi. Donc voilà, ça ressemble à ça. Je les trouve très belles, très confortables, très solides. Donc je vais arrêter la vidéo et on se retrouve pour l'essayage.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone, I'm losing control but I can't let it go. Cause I'm trying to get more and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to